My life is pretty hectic. Between my career and taking care of my family, it seems like I never have a moment to myself. And when I do, it's hard to just let it all go and relax. I was talking with my nutritionist, and she said that your mood is connected to how your body sends signals between your gut and your brain. Is that true?
Yeah, that's true. Research has shown that cognition, behavior, and your mood can all be positively influenced by the health and balance of your gut's microbiome. Based on this scientific research, Life Extension created Fluorasys Mood Improve. This once daily formulation includes a dual probiotic combination that positively influences the biochemical signaling between your gastrointestinal tract and your nervous system to promote relaxation and help support your mood.
A little while after I started to take Fluorasys Mood, I've really noticed how my outlook is improved. Sure, there are stressful days, but it's nice to know that when push comes to shove, there's nothing that's gonna distract me from how great my life truly is.